Hi, I'm Danny. I'm the director and editor of our documentary Dogs and Us, and this is my dog Arthur.
Hello, I'm Brittany, the cinematographer for Dogs and Us, and these are my dogs. Hi, I'm Chloe, and I'm the sound designer and sound recordist, and this is my dog Pepper.
Hello, my name's Aidan, I'm the producer, and this is my dog Nero.
Over the course of the documentary, we will delve into the importance of dog companionship. As dog owners ourselves, we all know how positively they affect our lives.
We wanted to highlight different stories of people who have been helped by the presence of dogs in their life. To start off, we will be focusing on my nan and Jean.
William Porters, aka Billy
I got Dusty on Tuesday 25th of January from the Last Chance Rescue at Kent. I got him because his description was he's very vocal, very energetic, and he's an escape artist. And he sounded very much like a dog that I had previously for 13 years called Smudge.
Stay, stay there, stay, good boy. Look at Brittany, look at Brittany.
My husband passed away before Christmas, and I'm going through the grieving process. And by getting Dusty, it would give me something to concentrate on and focus on other than being on my own. I was staying in bed all day. I've got nothing to get up for. And I couldn't get out of bed. So by getting Dusty, it gave me something to focus on again. Apparently, he'd not been socialised, not been trained. He was a lockdown puppy, so he never met anybody. I've been introducing him to people now. I'm training him, and I'm keeping him mentally stimulated. And whenever he does something right, it gives me a sense of achievement.
Okay. Throughout the development of the project, we wanted to look into the medical side of why dogs have such a positive effect on our mental health. I managed to get in touch with Dr. Elizabeth Ormerod, BVMS, as she went into detail into why this was the case.
I'm Dr. Elizabeth Ormerod. I'm a retired companion animal veterinary surgeon, and I'm the current chair of the Society for Companion Animal Studies, vice president of IAHIO, the International Association of Human-Animal Interaction Organisations. Also co-founded Canine Partners, the UK Assistance Dog Programme, and I'm a trustee of our Special Friends, the Veterinary Outreach Programme. Now, when I was a student, many years ago, we were taught that oxytocin was the hormone connected with parturition and lactation. It more recently has been discovered to have other functions, and it has now been identified as the so-called bonding hormone. So when people are in the presence of animals and they have an oxytocin surge, they are being flooded with oxytocin and other neurotransmitters. And oxytocin helps people to feel more confident, more secure, more friendly, more cooperative, facilitates communication with other people. And I think this is what we're seeing. Especially with people in prison, the dogs that they're working with are usually dogs that have been admitted to an animal shelter because of unruly behaviour. This isn't lost on prisoners. Many of them have said they see parallels in the dog's life and in their life. Through positive interaction, positive reinforcement dog training, using persuasion and encouragement instead of punishment, they see these dogs turning around from being a hooligan that's out of control to being a really responsive dog. And the prisoners say to me, if a dog can change within a few weeks, I can change. You know, my own dogs, if I could be feeling a little bit down and nobody else in the family recognises anything, but a dog comes, climbs on your lap or places a big head on your lap, gives you a look, Mom.
Having my dog Nero around has helped me a lot over the past few years, but having him around has especially helped my mum. We recently lost our previous dog. His name was Kenzo, and she was really down in the dumps without having him around. Ever since we got Nero though, she started to open herself back up to the world again.
Come and sit down now. Yeah. Sit down. Sit, stay. Go. Stay. That's it. Want a nice boy, not a jumping all over the place boy.
This is a great example of how having a dog can positively affect your adulthood. But how about we look into how dogs can help people in their early years? On a windy day in March, we travelled to the Willow School in Rotherham, a school for children with special needs. The school incorporates outside activities to teach the children life skills. One of these activities includes spending time with the school's favourite dog, Freddie.
We interviewed and spent the day with 3 children who spent time with Freddie, those being Fred, Callum and Summer.
I've got 2 dogs, and one's called Timmy and the other one's called Zach.
What do you do with Freddie?
I always train him all day. We do middle and hiding stuff, hiding the ball and throwing the ball.
What is it like having Freddie?
Good. It's happy. Stay. Go on, get it. Yeah, very happy.
How does Freddie make you feel?
Happy. They make me feel very happy.
I'd recommend anybody to get an animal because it's good therapy for them, especially if you've got a dog or a cat or a rabbit. It's something you can stroke at night so they can watch telly with them and everything. It really does help.